Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Welcome to the Brainy Hub. Today we are going to learn simple addition. Do you know what is addition? Addition means to put together two or more numbers to get the total. Now we are going to learn addition with the help of objects. Let's get started. Little Reddy went to her garden with a basket full of sums. She saw some lovely grapes hanging in the garden. She said, I got an idea. I will use my grapes to add my sums. Let's do it. First, we take an addition card from the basket and place it on the grass. 4 plus 1. Then we take 4 bunches of grapes and place them on the grass. We leave some space. Then we take one more bunch of grapes and place them on the grass. Then we move them together and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we move the addition card to the right side and write down the answer 5. Then we keep the grapes back. Next, we place the other addition card on the grass, 2 plus 2. We take 2 bunches of grapes from the grapevine and place them on the grass. We leave some space again and place 2 bunches of grapes. Then we move them together and count 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we move the addition card below the first sum and write the answer 4. Then we place the grapes back. Then we work the same way with the other addition cards using the grapes until we finish all the sums in the basket. We have now helped little Reddy add all her sums. Next, we are going to learn addition using the number line. This is Mr. Froggy. Mr. Froggy has to complete the sums to go to the other side of the pond. Let's help him in adding the sums using the number line. First, we take an addition card and place it 3 plus 1. Then we point and show the child Mr. Froggy on 0 to show the starting point. Then Mr. Froggy jumps 1, 2 and 3. Now he's on number 3. The other number to be added is 1, so he jumps once again. Now Mr. Froggy is on number 4. Now we write the answer number 4 next to the addition card and replace Mr. Froggy back on 0. Take another addition card, 3 plus 3. Mr. Froggy jumps from 0, 1, 2, 3. The other number to be added is also 3. Then he jumps again, 1, 2, 3. Now he is on number 6. We write down the answer number 6 and place Mr. Froggy back. We work with the other cards the same way and complete the activity. I hope you like our simple addition stories for today. If you do, please tell us which story you like the most in the comment section. Thank you. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.